crazy but true, the human body literally glows. It's just that the light is too dim for our eyes to detect. Incredible, isn't it? Moving on, did you know an octopus has 3 hearts? Yes, 3. And to top it off, their blood is blue. And for our sports enthusiasts, here's a gem. The fastest goal in football history was scored in just over 2 seconds. That's quicker than you can say goal. Finally, buckle up for this one. There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the known universe. Mind-blowing, right? And there you have it. Facts so wild they seem made up but are undeniably true. Stay curious and keep learning.